If you had old phone, guys, this is a video for you, how to play PUBG in your old phone with low FPS. So guys, watch it till the end and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Thanks for coming back, guys. It's your host Ryan, and today in this video we're gonna be talking about how to play PUBG with high FPS and high GPU. Even if you don't worry guys, this is a video for you. You can watch it till the end and know how to do it, guys. So first of all, you need to go in this link, which I'll be gonna give in the description, guys. So after you've done that, download that file and put wherever you want, guys. So typically put it into the internal storage so you can find it a little bit better, but I don't care about that. So then you need to go over your settings and download ES File Explorer. Why you should download it? Because it can actually edit your guys, you can actually edit that file which is original in the PUBG files. So let me show you how to do it. So first of all, open EX File Explorer, which you recently downloaded from the Play Store. So after you've done that, you need to search for custom. There are two custom available, basically three. One is file, but we need two of them, guys. These two, first and second one. Front is the official one, which is provided by the PUBG game, and the second one is the thing that we have downloaded just now. So what you have to do here is you just need to see how much I have copied from here. So let me see it. Click on the edit button over there. So make sure you have to click it and drag it all the way to the 144.48. so and copy it. After you've done that, clear it up and paste it in the number 1. Okay, you need to do the same thing but reverse it. You need to clear them all first of all. Okay, up on there, great. So clear that out all and then paste it. Okay, you are good to go, guys. So save it now, and then you need to clear it out and open our game. So okay, I need to click OK. Now guys, you need to open your PUBG mobile app. So once you've done that, okay, I think it'll take some time. So okay, great. So it's gonna take some time, and you can see it over there, guys. The graphics is HDR. Basically you get HDR value on your PUBG mobile, and that's great, guys. But you can get Ultra HD because that doesn't support that much FPS, but you can use HDR and you can see the crystal clear animation that the person is moving his hand and so on. So I'm gonna show you how it works. So okay, this is the world, and you can see the clarity is amazing, and you can actually run and do the stuff that you do in the game, and that's really fun. It doesn't